Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We got something pretty cool for y'all today. Let me get over here so you can see. We got Dad's old JK up on the lift. He went and ordered him, let me get these things turned around where y'all can see what I'm talking about here. He ordered him some of the Dv8 inner fenders. This Jeep has these Bushwhacker, I think is what these are called, or the name brand, but just these fenders. But the inner fenders are gone, which, look, let me get a light. I can't see nothing in here, it's dark. Let's see. There we go, look at that. See how there's no inner fender? And then these actually have a screen, which most people, you know, color match to the truck. Like that green Jeep I showed y'all, friends of mine, Heather and Colby's, they color match theirs green. They took them out, painted them green to match the Jeep. And he's doing the same thing, making them yellow to match the Jeep. So, gotta get these fenders off, get the fenders off, and get the, there's actually two pieces. There's another piece that I showed you. There's a back piece that goes here, and then that piece I showed you that had the loop right here, and then it says Dv8 goes around that right there. And it came with all your bolts and everything, your nuts, washers, Allen wrenches, all that crap. And then it gets these, which go in the other piece that's still in the box, but they'll bolt in a hole like that, and it clamps from the back and basically just pinches like that to help hold them from rattling. But overall, it looks to be like a pretty nice system. They're aluminum. They already come, I guess, powder coated or some kind of coating on, painted maybe, whatever that is, I don't know. But everybody we've talked to and all the reviews and stuff seem to be, very well made, and everybody seems to like them. So let's get this started. We're gonna get these out and we'll get them put in. And that got it put on. That yellow accent right there makes a big difference on this yellow Jeep. That looks good. And I've got the other side, the back on, right here, just, it's still loose because you got to get these two lined up and then put it on. So let me get it on and I'll show you the finished thing. But yeah, it's looking good. I like it. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go.